Hello, namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful people watching me right now. This is me, Dolly, your friend, your host, and I hope that you all are doing good and feeling well. Okay, guys, so why I am here? I'm here for a very good reason. So, all the time, guys, you have something to ask me, you have plenty of questions for me to answer. This time, I have a question to you all. Okay, guys, so you have to answer me. Well, many of you must be aware of it, but I know that very many of you are not aware of this fact. Yeah, this is the fact, guys. Okay, so now I don't want to waste much of your time, and very straight I'm going to ask you, have you ever googled top candle making YouTube channels? What? You did or you're not? Okay, guys, don't waste that time. And if you haven't did yet, let's do it together. Okay, guys, so let's write down top 10 candle making YouTube channel and let's see what Google has for us. I'm waiting for the result, and the result is so I'm feeling so happy when I saw this, that your own channel design and creativity is at the second position worldwide. Hey guys, so welcome back. So what you have seen there is the truth. The Google is telling the truth, and I just wanted to thank you all from the deep of my heart for liking my videos, and keep loving me, guys. Please don't stop watching my videos, and I'm really very happy. I'm really very happy, and I just wanted to share this beautiful thing with you all because you are my family. And guys, the best thing is that all other channels are from either from US, from China, or from anywhere else, but India is maintaining a good position, guys. Being an Indian, I just when I saw the first time and I checked the list, I saw that, oh my god, I'm the only Indian YouTube channel in candle making which is maintaining the top position. So the I'm feeling so excited, guys. I'm feeling so excited. I'm running out of words. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for believing in my work, for giving me so much love, and I hope that you guys will keep loving me always. And I am really feeling very happy and proud and everything good, guys, because what I found is that I'm the only Indian candle making YouTube channel which is maintaining such a beautiful position. And Sunday India rocks, guys. Sunday India rocks. I'm very patriotic, so I'm feeling wonderful. I'm feeling wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for loving my videos, and keep loving me. And I promise you all that I'll continue bringing good videos to you all.